Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, and it is March 10th. And this is my recap of the euro dollar, the pound dollar, and gold because those are the most popular pairs on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community linked at the end of this video in the corner or in the description of the video. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to all the benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, I'm starting off on the euro dollar 1 hour time frame. Now, I do not disagree with anybody that on the daily time frame it looks like we are due for a much bigger pullback. The problem is that we don't have a pullback yet. We could just be in a correction to the last 5 wave uptrend. So I have my Fibonacci retracement on here. We actually already have 1, 2, 3 waves down. We already have a 61%. We already have an engulfing up. If this move down right here makes a higher low compared to this, it could potentially turn into a wave one, wave two, and just keep on going up for wave three. So just keep in mind that the higher time frames have not confirmed any pullback yet, or any significant pullback. If we are in that very strong time frame, the higher time frames are in a very strong uptrend, it could easily just keep on going up. So be careful. If it does break structure to the downside, I definitely will turn into a seller. Until then, I'm definitely still looking at this move as possibly just another correction. Moving on to the pound dollar, the pound definitely did break down a little bit. So now what I have is I have my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move up that we've been making over the last week and a half or so. I'm watching all my Fibonacci levels because if the higher time frames are in a very strong uptrend, then this could literally just bounce out to 23% and just continue the uptrend. I'm watching the dollar index very closely, and until the dollar index gives me confirmation of a real turn, I'm looking at anything I see to the downside as possibly being just another ABC correction or maybe even like an expanding WXY. It definitely does have a little bit of an expanding look to it. So if you get a fib bounce and a breaker structure up, definitely keep an eye out for longs. If it breaks and holds below this structure with momentum, then I definitely will turn into a seller at the end of any pullbacks I see from that point on. And moving on to gold. Gold made a pretty strong move to the downside today, as you can see. And now there's a few options with gold. Unfortunately, this could literally just keep on going down. So if it does make lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high on this 1 hour time frame, then just enjoy the sorting opportunities. On the daily, to me, it does kind of look like it could be a wave A. Maybe this is like some sort of a WXY of wave B, and that we bounce off one of these two fib levels and actually turn it back up for wave C, and this is still just an ABC of B. So definitely keep an eye on your fib levels. If you do get like an impulsive engulfing turn at a Fibonacci level, I would definitely keep an idea on that it might go up and make a wave C of wave B before it really does turn down for the bigger push down. So definitely keep an eye out for this possibility. Otherwise, if it just goes up, very corrective, very choppy, and then goes down, up, down, then just enjoy the sorting opportunities every single chance you get. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.